Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a Zari Saree. First, always check the care label on your saree for any specific instructions. Next, set your iron to a low temperature, ideally a silk or synthetic setting, to protect the delicate fabric. Make sure your iron sole plate is perfectly clean to avoid transferring any marks or stains onto your beautiful saree. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and effective ironing process. When you're ready to iron, always place a clean, thin cotton cloth, like a pillowcase, over the saree. This acts as a protective barrier. It's best to iron the saree from its reverse side to further safeguard the intricate Zari work. Use gentle, even strokes, moving the iron continuously. Never leave the iron in one spot for too long, as this can scorch the fabric or damage the Zari threads. The most important rule for Zari sarees is to never let the iron directly touch the Zari threads or any embellishments. The protective cloth is essential here. If you need to use steam, do so sparingly and from a distance, or consider using a handheld steamer for the Zari portions. Avoid spraying water directly onto the Zari, as moisture can sometimes cause tarnishing or discoloration over time. Gentle care preserves its shine. Once ironed, let your saree cool down completely on a flat surface before you fold or hang it. This helps set the fabric and prevents wrinkles. For storage, always use a breathable cotton bag, not plastic, to protect the Zari from humidity and damage. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in smart money management.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.